bridge. Morning.
Good morning.
Look at this. Morning. This is a famous Dan Chuck 57 that sits out on a pedestal 55 freeway south. Rod, you made it. Yeah. I parked down the alley there. I hope I can get out. Look at that. Well, I'm good, Rod. How are you? Look at that. He did get the spot. He got a good spot. Yeah. How about that? Rod makes all the trophies over at Diane Main's Garden Grove Historical Main Street Car Show. And this is one of his trophies that he's built for his own use. He's got more. Look at that. One beautiful ride, huh? This ride. Falcon. Look at that. We got over here. Look at that. We got the all steel Jim and Jones. On his own little tent. Wow, beautiful. And we got the fire chief. Look at that. Detroit Fire Department. How cool is this? Wow, 24 Model T. Chief's executive car. Yeah. Huh. They're like Chevy Bel Air lights. Morning.
junk in there, man.
Ah, looks perfect. Tony's Blacktop Magazine. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Powered by Chevrolet. Yeah. Oh. Not badass. Look at that. Of course, you got Ed's. Corvettes. A ZL1. Now, it's a nice location for a show. It's beautiful.
Not a Honda or a Mercedes or
Yeah, 327 now Lebu. Chris, that's overrated.
That's what I think.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this. Man, I like this Mr. Boulevard, huh? Look at that, the post. Yeah. That's it. Oops, I'm sorry. Wow, big 396.
Good. I know, this is a good part.
What is 37, 44. Another dog back in S33. Yeah. Wow, that certainly does look pretty. Cameo. How pretty is that? That's how you do it.
This isn't it yet. We're just trying to
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. Don't put it on live.
You don't know it's on live. Yeah, relax.
Remember this. Red is the buy. Okay.
Tommy. Wow, what a nice park this is. Little gems you find. There's a Kiwanis Club in Garden Grove. 6-cylinder right now.
Hey Frank, that don't stick up too high for you, does it? A little bit left. Come straight. Straight up now. Yeah.
Look at that. Beautiful.
That sprinkler head might stick up too high. You gotta go slow so you don't rub on it. Come on, come on. Come on. Drive it next to him. That's good. Part of the 7. All right, how about the over behind you? All right, perfect. Come on, Dano. The other Dano.
Oh.
All right. We'll stick that V-dub in the amphitheater too.
Look at that, huh?
Got a sprinkler right here. If I don't run over you, I won't run over it. All right. You're right. The other right. The other right.
If there was water in this, whatever you call it, we could put that Amphicar in there. Yeah, 68 with 327. Yeah. That's pretty damn nice too. And his wife, you heard the story on the Corvette. Yeah. 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 I think that the Trump boat the Trump boat parade, I think it happened down in Newport.
No, I'm going to run it here, back and forth.
Yeah. How about that? Look at that. Wide,
No, I
white.
would put this in salt water to save your soul.
Yeah. This is pretty nice here. Yeah. What year?
It's 65.
65.
Yeah.
Wow.
65 Amphicar.
Amphicar, yeah. Yeah, it's a real hot rod. We got gears and pedals.
Huh?
4 gears and 2 3 pedals.
To 65.
Yeah. Wow. It's pretty cool.
There's a picture of it in the water there.
Yeah. Yeah, it rolls in the water. It floats too. Amphicar.
Well, you want to park? You want to park near? Or?
Got a nice throaty sound.
Definitely going out. Exotic's going out in the amphitheater on the concrete if you want to go there. Jumbo's going there.
Oh. Man, look at here, huh? OCMC represent. Look at that. How pretty. See? OCMC.
Recorded.
Original owner. Oh, look at that, huh? Look good. Yeah. Well, that certainly is pretty red.
Ford
Yeah.
called it candy apple red.
Candy apple?
I don't think of candy apple red being like a fire.
Yeah. They got original.
Can we park next to each other? Yeah. That's perfect.
Original AM radio. 1, 2, and 3 Mustangs so far at OCMC. Happy Dieter. Look at that Chevy Lloyd represent an Alpha. How about that? 55 with a Post, 56 with a Nomad, and a 66 Box Nova. Oh, 2-liter. Oh boy, make my heart beat fast. Making my heart beat fast. Yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, 66, 67 is my favorite. Yeah. I've done a nice job. Really? Look at this, huh? Dual light 58. Beautiful, deep, dark, black paint. So deep. Alpha. Huh?
Are you with the club that you wanted?
No, I'm this guy.
Oh, you're the one. I remember you were the customer. Give me the Main Street.
Right. I do that every
Friday. I was there about 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I got the best of the show.
Right, yeah. I was there to get it. Yeah. Yeah, Tony Calabini, Black Top Magazine, representing Mercifuls Car Club with his Fairlane, two-tone, blue over black. Look at that. That's a nice mild custom, huh? Tony, rise and shine. Smile. Wire wheels, wow. You've been taking care of this thing. It's spotless. Yeah. Sun trying to break through the clouds. This is a nice venue, huh? Wow, won't be hot. It'll be cool. Oh, we got the Harrises behind us. Look at that.
Morning, Dano.
Cindy and Bill Harris, good morning. Wow. We brought out the Chrysler. Or is it Studebaker? Studebaker, I believe. No, I forget. Look at that. Bel Air 56 with a Post. Silver over black. 64 gold. Wow. Dog disc caps, red lines. That's what started that muscle car craze right there, if I'm not mistaken. The GTO, 64 version. Theo is 37. That's pretty too, huh? Looks like it's been shortened, but I don't think so. Cool car, Corvette. 65, I believe. Those are French ends. Got twice pipes. Look at that, cool car. Rolling derelicts on the windshield. Good morning. Viejo, California. About that?
Doing good.
You just arriving by yourself?
Yeah. The family's coming in the comfortable car.
Okay.
Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for sporting the Dano Live sticker. How about that? Garland.
Hey, Dano, how are you, buddy?
Good, I know. Good morning. Wake up. Dano Live supporter. Garland. Wow, look at that.
Maybe up this way?
Yeah, beautiful Super Mustang GT 289 right off the showroom floor. Man, that's so beautiful. Look at that. We have a fish with no water.
Perfect.
383. White vinyl top, white guts. Big disc brakes all the way around. Whoa. Look at that. How about that? Kathy! I can't hear you. Look at that. Beautiful. 383. You see 340s, you see 440s, you see Hemis, but man, you don't see any 383s usually anymore. Oh, hold on, wait a minute. It gets worn out. All right, what card did you bring?
Mine.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
Got holes up front.
I don't care. My car says Oxford.
This is a nice.
She chose it at Ron's.
Is it okay? Canberra's?
He looks on it.
I was up there last week. I missed it. Yep, I see it. Yep. Look at that, huh? John D. DeLorean himself. Wow. This is a nice setup here. Which one? Oh, yeah. Just a little different shade of green.
Yeah, it is. That's cute.
Oh, look at that. '69 Cadillac.
About 55, 60 cars right now.
Right now? That's Alan.
I believe they said 80.
Wow, you even got a shirt with a name on it. What the hell? How do I do that? Hey, Mario!
My wife doesn't border it.
Oh, I see.
John Local and Mike are coming.
Oh, there's do.
Yeah, Clyde will be here later.
Yeah. You're about the only real car girl trooper that gets up early.
Me, I'm the car girl. My car's coming in. I had to go to the bathroom. Sorry.
You got a chauffeur for you?
The
Yeah,
only
yeah.
problem with me is at my age, I drink coffee in the morning.
I've got, on the way up here, I grabbed a cup of coffee. I didn't even take a drink out of it.
TMI.
And then
Look at that, huh?
sitting on the table.
Nice venue.
And then this morning, we have coffee left over. I make iced coffee. That's sitting in the car.
Look at that. Buford. Well, Linda, the girls are sleeping in.
Yep.
Yep.
7 o'clock, baby. Baby.
That's rare right there, huh? Hard top. And a drop down trim level. Man, look at that. The Montclair 1955. Oh, that chrome bumper. Look at how beautiful it is. Proud of that.
Yeah, he's got plenty.
That front bumper looks like you just took it off and had it plated. It's so beautiful. That front bumper looks like you just had it plated. It's so perfect. Wow. Got a good chrome shop. Yeah, wow, boy. It shows. '55 hardtop Mercury Montclair Okie. Twice pipes, trailer hitch, plug. High performance 289. Oh, 302. Whoa, look at that. Good morning. Yeah. Look at that, huh? Kathy Garner's her 32 V8 rolling in with her husband. Hey, Gary.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yo.
Kathy gave me the duty.
Yeah, I know, because she had to do the duty.
I know. She gave me the duty.
Well, it's a good thing you came along.
Yeah.
HB Car Club president. Hey, what a show. What a location.
Glad to see you guys here.
Good to see you, man. Now, how do I get one of them? Oh, you even got it embroidered.
Ah.
Yeah.
When you're putting on the show.
Yeah.
Good to see you here
Good
again.
to see you. Thanks, Steve. Hey, Dusky. Look at that. You know the ladies are sleeping in, huh?
Oh, yeah.
They come get themselves all gutsy up and come later. Dudes, 33 Vicky. There's Bob Slane rolling in with his 30 DeSoto. How about that? Rapper Kragers putting more horsepower down alive. Yeah, he's got 5 to 10 more horsepower now. Yeah. Thanks, Bob. Appreciate that. Yeah. And we got Mike. Mike rolling in with his hot 37. Yeah. Oh, I see Sheila Braves early mornings.
Yeah.
She's ready to go.
Dragged her out.
Yeah. Good morning. Good to see you guys. Yeah. Nice show, huh? Soto. Sheila and Mike Bomber in a hot 37. Look at that. Chevrolet. sharp end. Hello. Good morning, Morley. Good morning. Yeah. That's good. Good. You got the 31. Pretty soon you'll be driving both of them. Before we know it. 350 cubic inches. Man. Beautiful. Oh yeah? Cool. Yeah? Say again?
Our son's in Egypt in the military,
And he watches. Wow. I am not only locally world famous, I'm world famous. Yeah, thank you. Thanks. It's all you guys that make that happen. Wow, more of these sharks. Oh. Who do we got here? We got Dan Jewel. How about that? Dan Jewel. What up? Dan, you know, you're missing something.
Oh. I know all about it.
Yeah. Look at that. Man, looks good, Dan.
Coming out like God.
Did it? See here. It's running like it's cold. I understand your performance shop's going out of business.
RC Performance?
Yeah.
I haven't heard that.
Yeah,
I called
yeah.
him the other day.
He's closing it.
Really?
Right behind Willie's, right?
I guess.
Yeah. Yep. Closing it. Yeah. Yeah. Now look at this, huh? Junior 65. Flame teardrop hood. Oh yeah. What's that? Yeah. Yeah, he's got a crack head. That's steam. Huh?
Behind me.
Yeah, I know. You guys roll together all the time. Well wheels. How pretty is that Falcon, huh? Listen to the sound of that. That's cool, over there. Yeah. Don't see one without the other. Look at that. Supporting the Dano Live HP Car Club. Yeah, good morning. Man, look at the Chevrolet. Custom pick 'em up truck. Wow. American Max. Big disc brakes. Pretty good. How you doing? Is this a 64?
64, yeah.
Yeah, boy. Nice. They're filling up. I didn't clear out enough hard drive. There'll be some bumps in the video. I gotta delete some stuff I didn't want to delete. Wow, look at this. Still the line is long. Wow. Have you ever? I've never. Look at that. How cool. Wow, lights. Chevrolet. Steel wheels done in gray. Dog disc caps. Back to this. Custom. Nice and done. We cut down the tree and put it in the bed. That's pretty cool. Now would this be a 40, 45? 47, okay. And originally a convertible? Or?
No, it's originally a two-door hardtop.
Okay.
But I bought it like this, top to top.
Yeah.
But I'm selling it if you know anyone.
All right, okay. So say your name and your contact.
Right here on the side.
Okay. Oh, where 07 Chevy Fleetline. 11,000. Wow, that's not a lot of money for a good, cool custom car like this. Yeah. How about that? That's seen on Dano Live, Dano Vision. DP Customs. Wow, we still got a line of cars all the way down the alleyway. I think I'm going to make my way down, and I got to change out my hard drive.
Yeah.
68 Pontiac Le Mans 400. Morning.
Pontiac Le Mans
Yeah.
from Fountain Valley. We're
Yeah.
glad to be here. I
Yeah.
love Dano TV, man.
Thank you. Now you got a real hot rod too. We got 3 pedals, 4
Yeah,
gears.
4 gears, 4-speed
Yeah.
manual,
Wow.
positive traction rear end. This thing flies, buddy.
It does, yeah. You know, it probably gives some GTOs a run for their money, right?
That does. It's a poor man's GTO.
Yeah, it is.
That's what it is.
But
Thanks a lot.
you're welcome. Look at that. Look at that. Mango GT. Wow. Haven't seen that one before. Wow. Mango is a color, huh? Yeah, good morning. Man, that's a nice color. Look at that.
You don't see very many mangoes.
No, I would say this is probably my first one.
Yeah, I've been driving for years. See very few of them.
Yeah, beautiful. Eagle GTs on it. Wow. Steve, they're lining up.
I told you we were going to have a full party.
Yeah, wow. You weren't BSing the Dano here, yeah.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah. What up? Look at that. Boy, that deep is so black deep. Oh, man.
Nice one, isn't it?
Yeah, 69. Ooh. I hope you don't run out of room. Look at that. 289 cubic inch. Looks like showroom new condition.
It's been in, I think, for family forever, she said.
Oh, wow. You got the GT wheels on it.
Yeah, all the nice stuff for a
65, I believe.
65. The 6 had the little spikes up the side.
Yeah. Got the California black plate on it still. Yeah, original California
does.
car.
Yeah.
Flights pipes out the back. Yep.
That was a nice option back there.
Yeah. Yeah.
You guys got beer? Nope.
We got dancing girls.
Didn't get an ABC license this year.
Really?
Look at that. 8.2 liters. So basic cubic inches is probably like a 472.
528.
Whoa. Dang.
Yeah.
They had some
5
cute.
miles to the gallon.
Yeah. That's coasting.
Yeah. Coasting, I know.
Yeah.
You can actually see the gauge going down.
Yeah. Well, maybe if that guitar wasn't there, you'd get maybe another mile gallon. It's too heavy. No. Yep. Eldorado. Elvis JJ. California plate. Whoa, look at that. Well, that's a pretty double nickel. Yeah. The top is dropped. It's two-tone. Boy, Chevy caps and wide whites. Automatic. Man, that is pretty. That is pretty. Look at that. Big California black plate. Yeah. Look at that. We got a 57 delivery. How about that? Camaro wheels, caps, goody rims.
Oh, I know.
Whoa, Tony, you fooled me.
That's what I
Hey,
told me.
hey, keep that pose right there. Smile. Gotcha. Wow.
This isn't a 70 Corvette. I go, Tony, when you get another one?
Yeah, what you been doing? You've been out, shopping around eBay and.
I've been working on this for the past year.
Oh, really? Surprise, surprise! You're debuting it right here.
Yeah.
Wow, how special is that, Steve?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh.
We have a whole bunch of new cars this year.
Yeah. Yeah, Tony, we ought to see him in the Corvette. And look what we got here. We got Jeff Carr.
Oh, yeah, we got. Yeah. trying to figure out what a 59 Corvette
Represent
looks like.
SCC.
Nice.
How about that? How you doing? Wow, look at that.
Good to see you, Dano.
We got Pearl in the house. Coronet. Look at those dual antennas. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah.
Those are all like the old highway patrol.
Yeah. The plate says Finn Envy. Look at that.
Oh, look at that plate.
Wow. Look at that, Fox Nova. Steve organized this. He's worked his ass off for many months to get this show going, and man, they showed some respect and they showed up. Showed up strong. Yeah. You know me. I like these box motors. Yeah. Good morning. 67. Ha! That plays 67 Chevy 2. Still 67 CHTWO. Ah, cool. Very creative. Look at that. 44 Deluxe. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, that's nice too. American Mags. Deluxe. Double nickel.
Hey there.
Yeah.
Good. How are you?
Like that.
That's not a pre-registered. No, it's not. Okay, well, we're going to find room for everybody. James just here. He's got something to play for my people. Come on in.
Ford Falcon Sprint. Second annual car show in the park. We got Kia, Army Kia, then we got a Mercury way back there. Might be at the end of the line.
Yes, we did. Okay, yeah, well, I'll get that next.
Whoops. Steve, is there parking in the front? I probably should move my van around.
Yes,
Because they're going to close this gate up, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to get stuck in there and walk around.
Oh, yeah, no. No, if you go out here,
Yeah.
right on the first street,
Okay.
there's like a car show sign, turn
Okay.
into that street there.
Okay.
And there's plenty of street parking there.
All right.
And who knows, it might be, I haven't moved in over an hour.
Yeah, I know, huh?
This is, this is better than what we thought it might be.
What's the count so far? You know,
I had 80 something registered, Dan,
Yeah.
and I can't tell you, this is all extra
That's
people
extra.
that have showed
Yeah.
up. We're probably going to have 100 in the park today.
Wow. Wow.
Which
See?
makes our members, I mean, we're not profit. This helps us out.
Yep.
Oh man, you are quick. Thank you. Okay, we'll do that.
Cool. Hey, Kia. Which alloy? How about that? Man, look at this, huh? We got a 24 valve dual overhead cam. It's not a Ford, it's a Mercury, right? Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. I'm going to go and reload up the hard drives and drive it around the front. Be back for more. We'll do a walkthrough. I'm sure more cars will flow in. Dano Live, Dano Vision. Kawanisland second annual car show in the park. And that is Steve, the organizer, the gray shirt.